This is the Sharper Image Calming Heat Massaging Weighted Heating Pad. This is the extra large in diameter, very nice, and it has weighted pressure, okay? Let's dive in and see what this is all about. This weighs 4 pounds, and it is going to stay in place when it's on you. It has 3 heat settings, high, medium, and low, and that's just how you adjust them. But it also has 9 massage settings, so you can adjust it depending on what feels best. It is 12 by 24, and so that's going to work well for your back, your shoulders, legs, or cramps. So let's look at the remote. It has an auto shut off for 2 hours if you light that one up. And then the massage, 1 press is low, 2 presses is low constant, 3 presses is low speed up or down. If you want it to medium pulse, 4 presses, medium constant, 5 presses, and you could feel it in here. 6 is medium speed down, and so forth. To turn it off is 10 presses, and it's off. But this calming heating pad really feels more relaxing than just a basic pad. You get the weight, you get the warmth, and you get the vibration. I like the auto shut off. It's a nice safety feature, especially if you're going to use it while relaxing at night in case you fall asleep. This one is a practical gift for anyone who loves cozy comfort, sore muscle relief, or couch recovery mode. Highly recommend this Sharper Image Calming Heat Massaging Weighted Heating Pad. Remember, 3 heat settings and 9 massage settings. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.